Hey, what's going on? This is Clotter Manufacturing. I'm Craig Clotter. And first off, I'd like to say thank you for the 500 subscribers. That means a lot to me. You know, people are watching my stuff, and obviously it's doing some good for a lot of people out there, so that's fabulous. So today I wanted to talk about my opinion on dynamic milling versus 2D contour paths. So first out of the gate, dynamic milling is great. You know, you get everything set up and it roughs out a crazy pocket around a bunch of bosses or whatnot. You only got to click a couple things. I get it. It's great, you know. But from a high volume production in an owner perspective, or trying to make things run faster altogether perspective, dynamic milling is completely opposite of what you think. I mean, it gives you the most tool paths, the most lines, gives you way more lines than you need, and in the end it gives you really, really bad cutting conditions. And what I mean by that is in the end you have this little sliver of steel or something like that, or aluminum, and it goes and it rips it off and it blows it all apart and it never works out. And you try all these different things that never truly work. Not only that, but your tool is in the cut the whole time, so it's more wear and tear on the machine. You're using more, you're pulling more volts, you're using more electricity. It throws the machine around, you know, it pegs out the travel. You can hear the machine go toot, 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 toot when it's hitting all the points. Anyways, all I'm saying is there's a lot of bad things about dynamic milling that's never talked. Now, the thing about 2D contour is you can get it to do a lot of things very similar to dynamic milling, and it only does one little pass, one way. And when you're concentrating on one move, one linear move, and it's taking one cut, you notice that your troubleshooting becomes a lot easier. And you're able to take off a way bigger cut and remove way more material. Basically, what I'm trying to say is the dynamic milling is great for 1 to 20 pieces probably. Other than that, you need to find a way. You should probably try to find an alternative to not make that cutter go in there for, you know, get heated up for all that time. And then if that's what you want to do, that's what you want to do. But don't get set in your ways either if you are a dynamic miller. Don't get set in your ways. Try to bump stuff up and move stuff around. You'll be amazed at what some of them tools can do. Anyways, that's my thoughts on dynamic milling versus contour. I think contour wins hand over fist or whatever you want to call it. Anyways, I appreciate all you guys' time and keep watching my videos. Take it easy.